Jeep prep in, what is this? This is June?
Yeah.
June for the October Disney trip.
We got a hard top.
Prepping the Jeep for October Disney in June. Putting the hardtop on, installing a third row bench seat for the extra passengers we're gonna have. Disney. I'm not really a huge fan. Hey, it's the end of July now, and we're here in the shop, or garage slash shop, and we're doing some Jeep repair, prepping for travel, and we're doing some grill painting. Finished that up last night, and the Jeep, the headlights were looking pretty rough on the Jeep, so we had to get some new headlights, some new turn signals, and I don't know if you saw some of the other videos about how the storms weren't that bad because Barry didn't really come here, but he flooded. We flooded pretty good around here, and we had to drive through some water, so the front axle had to get rebuilt on the Jeep, and I didn't get any video of that, which I probably should have videoed rebuilding the axle, so I had to bring Jessica to the airport for her travels. I got my trusty helper, Jaden. She's trying to hide from the camera today, I guess. We got the rear seat done, but I'm fixing to install it here shortly. I'll get some video of that for the final install. Put it on here shortly.
So, Mommy's bike seat was a little too small for her, so we got her a bigger one so it'd be a little more comfortable since we ride our bikes everywhere in Disney.
Every time we go camping.
Yeah, every time that we go camping or anywhere, so we ordered her a new one from Amazon, and now we have to put it on. So yeah, that's gonna be my project for today.
Hey Jaden, do you have to take the nut all the way off?
Apparently not.
Okay.
I didn't know that.
So is it loose?
Yeah.
Twist the seat. Pull it up. Twist and pull. Twist and pull up.
Laughing at me.
Okay, you hold the phone. It's just rusty.
You have to be aggressive with it,
It's just rusty. You just have to wiggle it up and it comes off.
That was aggressive.
Aggressive! Okay, grab the other one. And installed.
Maybe?
Tighten it down.
Should I tighten it on both sides?
No, you just need to tighten it on one.
Alright.
Well, make sure the bolt's not sticking out too much. On the other side.
It's good.
How's it feel? Is it squishy on your bottom?
Yeah.
All right.
I can't exist.
That's too tall?
It's too tall for me.
How's the seat?
Comfy.
Okay.
Excuse me, Cole.
Cold squish. Little bit of tape and repair. Final grill install. Take the tape off. She looks good.
Voila.
Trying to take this out.
So we are going to be putting in another row of seats into the Jeep because we only have the 2 front seats and then the 3 back seats. We're gonna have a lot of people this time around, so we're making more room.
So we got the video back from June when we were putting the hardtop on. Well, about a week after that, the seat brackets came in, and I installed those in here. And these are the seat brackets for the 3rd row bench seat to fit in here. And we have the 3rd row bench seat here that we got out of Brianna's Jeep. But we have Brianna's Jeep for sale, so if we sell that before we go, we'll have to get another bench seat for the back. So we'll be putting it in here shortly, and you can see that way we'll have it, and you can see what it looks like in here. And this is also, we can go to Disney and have 7 people in the Jeep. So be right back with you. So that's what the 3rd row seat in. Jaden's climbing back there.
I'll be cramped.
And that's for the Jaden in the back seat.
Yeah.
Not a whole lot of room. Mostly for little kids. Let's see how it is. Can you sit normal?
So it's okay. My knees are up against the seat, but I do have enough room to put my feet. There's going to be another person here. So we'll have to figure out whose feet are gonna do what, but it's not as bad as you would think, but yeah. Very much.
Me and Jaden were in
What preparation video are we making?
the prep video for traveling.
We're traveling?
Our travel prep video that we were prepping the Jeep for.
Oh, we travel?
We prepped the Jeep. We prepped your bike.
We're real tired.
We did. I'm
You
tired.
can't say that. You can't say that.
That doesn't matter at all.
No, this is the fun part.
No.
Yes. Prep video. Tired. Tires?
Oh God.
No, don't cut it. This is good. This is what we want. We need good stuff.
No, you're ridiculous.
Tires? Jeep.
We didn't do tires. We did the seat.
Seat.
We did the back seat.
Back seat.
Your seat on your bike.
Bike seat.
And grill and headlights.
And grill and headlights. And dog.
And there's a dog.
Hi,
He's
Coco.
special. So anyway, this is the ending of me and Jaden's preparation video because Jessica doesn't
Jaden.
prepare because she works.
I work a lot.
Because she's Jessica and she leaves all the prepping to me, and then I force Jaden to help me prep. And then Jaden complains about prepping, and then Jaden helps prep.
Jaden doesn't work.
So I hope y'all enjoyed the preparation video. That's just some of the stuff. I'm sorry I didn't shoot all of the stuff. If you didn't enjoy the prep video, let me know. We won't shoot any more of those. All right, y'all have a good day.
Give us
Good
feedback. We
evening.
want to learn more. We want to know what you want to hear.
Yep. Let us know what you want to see, what you want to hear. Have a good one.